So this is my packet from Burns Brims. Excited about opening this. Shout out to my man Marquise Burns from Burns Brims. Finally got here, bro. So let me just quickly open this without is the woohoo! Check that out. Burns Brim, baby. It comes in a beautiful box. I mean, I've seen a lot of these unboxed, but it's just nothing like having your own. You know, I've seen a lot. Mr. Burns have taken pride in the details. I admire this logo, you know, so Burns Brim, baby, yeah? And for you guys who don't know about Burns Brim, now you know. If someone such as myself is rocking a Burns Brim, it's reason enough for everybody to have a Burns Brim. You know, we're about to set the trend. Check this out. Here's the reveal, baby. Check that out right there. Check that out right there. Check that out right there. Burns Brim. Loving it. Now I gotta open this bad boy here. Let me put this gold paper to the side. Let me feature the logo again. And let me do all this right here. Nice. Check that out. Burns Brim, baby. They got a scarf. And again, the scarf, Burns Brims.
That's mine.
Yeah. Now, check my hat out, people. Yeah. This is a snap brim, especially ordered for myself. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Now for the crowning. Now, this is how it goes. Every king needs a crown. Yeah. Now, let me see myself as I've done this. Yeah. Yeah. Loving it.
Do a twirl.
Ooh. Patience is a virtue, and good things come to those who wait. I've been waiting for this hat for a long time. But I know how it is when you customize something. Boom.